Oh, a very exciting time on Earth. Ganja coming up. Ganja coming up in the world, George. Legalize all 50 states. That's how our country's going to have a long, prosperous, fun, zen, healthy future. Legalize it, plants.
My bush now.
Hold on. You got time to have a cigarette?
Sure. Let the guy here just a tight one, though.
Oh,
Yeah.
15.
Yeah. We're on the scene, yeah, you know, it's like the Earth. There's always time to make it better, make changes, fix it up. Hey, they steal all your plants, there's more, bring more. They rip down the art. Yep, good times. I think I need another one of those refresh things. You want to go back?
Oh, yeah.
Let's go get one of those refresh things. Cannabis, ganja, happy 420, everyone.
With the lambs in the fucking house, and it's sure a thing. I don't care. How are you, bud?
Good, homie. Let's ride out.